National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boone County in north-central Illinois, eastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 4:45 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockford and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include McChesney Park, Loves Park, Belvedere, Cherry Valley, Roscoe and Poplar Grove. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.